So what I have here is a Hoover Windtunnel vacuum. This one's bagless, but bagged machines are going to be roughly similar. Not going to be too much of a difference, but we have to replace a cord on this. Not all that hard to get into there. So let's get started. All right, so first we're going to do is remove those 2 screws right there, and then there's 4 screws in the back of the handle. Okay. So we're just going to bend this just enough to get that off. These 2 screws here. And this last screw here. And that just comes off just like that. All right, so you'll see that they kind of have the cord wrapped around like this. So all you're going to do is just pull it out like that. Grab your new cord. They have it done in with these splice connectors, so that's what we'll use. I had to go with a little bit better of a cord. So just feed in the replacement cord. Up through. Make sure you give yourself enough slack. But now we're just going to strip. So they've got this white wire crimped off all the way down here. Disconnect that one. And then we're going to disconnect this one from about right here. So we don't have to mess with that one that's down in there. I don't like having to use 2 crimps, but it's not a huge deal. Going anywhere. So now for the purple one. Perfect. So now just to reroute the cord. Those two longer black screws, throw them back on. Here's that one side screw. I love how cheap these things were. So now just to put the lens cover back on.